Hi everyone, my name's Jasmine and my channel is called Jasmine Natural because I just love everything natural. And today I wanted to show you how to make your own DIY natural soap. And this soap, it doesn't contain any harsh chemicals, no silicones, no sulfates, no parabens. Also guys, if you're watching this, please like, comment and subscribe, and please follow me on Insta as well. And I really hope you like this video. So the first thing you'll need is a melt and pour crystal soap base, and this is my favourite soap base as it's free from harsh chemicals. And I'm just going to take it and open it and then place it into my pot. And I'm basically just going to bring this to boil on the hob. Now it's starting to melt, so basically you want it all to be melted. And whilst you're doing this, you're going to want to keep your eye on it because it does have a tendency to overflow. And this is it basically brought to the boiling point. We've gone super blurry because of the steam, so sorry guys. So now that it's all melted, I'm just going to turn the heat down, and you just want to take like a spoon to make sure that it is completely melted. And now I'm just going to take some grapeseed oil and add in just a few drops, not too much. And this helps for the soap to become really moisturising. I'm just adding in a little bit more for good measure. However much you want to add in is entirely up to you. Now I'm just going to add in some organic orange essential oil. This stuff makes the soap smell amazing. Now that I've removed it from the heat, I'm just going to add in some of my favourite essential oils. It's entirely up to you which ones you choose, but these are my favourite ones. So I'm adding in clove leaf. Sorry guys, my camera wasn't in focus, so it's really hard to tell which bottle it was. And the third one I'm adding in is frankincense, which actually reduces the appearance of scars and stretch marks. I just basically add in a few drops of each. Also, I added in chamomile oil, which is one of my favourite essential oils, especially as it soothes you and it's so therapeutic. And I'm also adding in organic tea tree oil as well, which helps fight acne and it has excellent antibacterial properties as well. Now I'm just getting ready to put my soap into its container. And I'm just going to mix it around a little bit, and some of it has gotten hard on top, but don't worry too much about that because once you put it into the mould it will all go together. And I'm just going to pour it into my Pyrex jug. I'm just mixing it around before I pour it in. And I'm just topping it up. I'm just going to place it into the fridge and let it set for a few hours. You'll know that it's set when it goes hard. And now it's ready. Do you see how it changed colour? Showing you a close-up, and we're just going to take them out. You'll know when your soap is ready because it should feel firm in the middle. So I usually use a knife just to dig them out. And this is probably the trickiest part. And there we go, it's out. And there we go, that's the end result. The second one came out so much easier, isn't it just typical? And that's it, you can use this straight away. You can just jump in the shower and lather it up. So this is all the soap I made, and I also made a smaller square soap as well with a different mold, which I didn't film because it's just the same process. basically pouring it in. I store it in a cool, dry cupboard, and I basically wrap it in kitchen roll. This is just a quick clip of me removing the square soap from the mold. I just love this soap. I've been using it for about 2 years, and I'm quickly going to tell you why I use it. Basically, the story is my youngest son used to suffer from really bad eczema, and then I basically switched his soap, so I started using this natural soap as opposed to store-bought soap. Like, I don't buy any store-bought soaps, and that's basically it, yeah. So I use this soap all the time and I just love it, and I hope if you guys try it you will like it as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like, comment or subscribe, and also let me know if you tried this guys in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in my next upload. Peace and love until next time. Hey everyone, my name's Jasmine.